Stacy here, and I am back with another video. Today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Plus in gold. I'm so excited. It just arrived via courier, so I'm about to get into it. So if you're interested in seeing the unboxing, keep watching. Hey guys, alright, so you guys just saw the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the little vibes. I wanted to quickly show you guys a comparison of the iPhone that I had before to this new iPhone 12 Plus. I know most of y'all are probably going from the 10 to the 12 or the 11 to the 12 or whatever the situation may be, but your girl is going from the 7 Plus, okay? The 7 Plus to the 12. It's a big leap. So the 7 Plus, I got it in the rose gold. You know, it's done well for me. It's got the portrait mode and all that. So yes, I will be new to the facial recognition and all that on the iPhone 12. And the first thing I noticed is the camera situation is obviously way more of a situation on the 12 Plus. Okay, and actually I don't know how big the 12 Plus Max is, but the 12 Plus is noticeably smaller than the 7 Plus. Again, I know most of y'all are already way over the 7 Plus, but look, this is what has been working for me, okay? That's been working for me for my Instagram pics. Okay, Instagram linked right here. Yes, all on the 7 Plus. So, yeah, the old phone has that rounded, more beveled edge. The new one still has a little bit of rounding, but it's more square. Beautiful. And I really like this new phone because, like, look from the side, it looks like a gold bar. Like, okay, money, okay, luxury. Look at that, rich vibes. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Let me know what iPhone you guys have. Did you upgrade to the 12? If you didn't, why didn't you? And if you did, tell me how you like it, or any super cool tips or hacks that you have. I am super excited to get into this new phone line. Super cute. So I'm gonna do the setup next. If you guys want a video on that, I can do that for you guys, but I just wanted to quickly show my initial thoughts. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. I mean, love her, love that for me. I mean, everything, it's beautiful. So let's set her up. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely subscribe to my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.